We're here. Newto, what's up, buddy? Ladies and gentlemen, chicos y chicas, and farm-loving fanatics, welcome to my tia's farm, or as the locals call it, Lucas and my tia's farm. We're kicking things off in this gorgeously decorated indoor-outdoor lounge where the sun kisses your skin, the breeze gives you a little besito, and your morning café con patacones is basically chef's kiss. Mwah. But hold on to your sombreros because now it's time for a grand tour of the farm. And who better to lead the way than our fearless guide, Papi Chulo. Take it away, Papi Chulo. Here in the garden, we've got more greens than a health nut's dream. Nabos, acelgas, lechuga, col, borraja, remolacha, and the list keeps growing. And inside the greenhouse, we're talking papayas, corn, green onions, tomatoes, and more. Speaking of corn, just look at all that corn. I'd make a joke, but I don't want it to be too corny. Now let's check out the guest house. But first, a very special stop. Right here is the VIP dog suite, where every pup has their own private quarters. Talk about barkitecture. Now this is where I stayed. Warm in the day, chilly at night, basically an igloo after sunset. I needed 5 blankets just to make it through the night. But hey, waking up to that fresh country air is totally worth it. Oh, and let's not forget, shout out to the rooster, who made sure I never slept past 4 a.m. Rise and shine, buddy! We've seen the main house, the guest house, and the garden. Now let's meet the real stars of the farm, the animals. From plucking chickens to moody cows, these farm animals know how to keep things interesting. Honestly, I think the goats are plotting something. Stay tuned for the sequel, Goat Uprising 2025.
Pamela, Tati, Kila, Rosa, Salma, Yari, muy hermosa. Vete pa' mi casa, camina pa' la sala. Vete pa' la cama y pierde tu alma. Alma, 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 alma. Vete pa' mi casa y pierde tu alma. Alma, 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 alma. Vete pa' mi casa y pierde tu alma. Tranquila, mami, solo una noche. Chin, 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 chin.
That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining me on this wild farm adventure. If you had fun, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more farm-tastic content. And remember, life's better on the farm.